Now this Mighty Mouse catch can is very, very awesome. They have a lot of products for American vehicles. They make these awesome brackets for a lot of Mopar cars. They got the Hellcat, they have the Trackhawk. We also got one for the TRX that we're adding on. So we got these powder coated locally. I don't know if Mighty Mouse offers to get them powder coated for you, but the mounts that they make, the products that they make are awesome. They make things for Chevys, Fords, Mopar. So yeah, it's awesome. So we have dash 10. So we want to maximize. And I mean, this car doesn't make a lot of crankcase pressure, so we don't need to really go more than a 10. I mean, you got other cars that are running dash 20s. So, but this is a very, very nice unit. Go check out Mighty Mouse, as well as Spelab for these awesome valve covers. I mean, these were, you know, under 500 bucks, I think. They're billet, and the next thing in line for, you know, valve covers, billet valve covers on a Mopar are over $1,000. So this is a very, very nice alternative, and you're gonna work with me through the process of installing these breather ports, making the lines for it, placing the catch can under the engine bay, and just setting everything up very nicely. So this is the Motion Raceworks universal breather vent. So you see that rubber seal that it has. Basically this sits on top of the valve cover like so. And on the back there is a baffle. We're going to install it now. So we finally got the valve covers on. and boy does it look good. Check this out. So the breather is finally installed. We got both valve covers in, both breather ports installed on the valve covers. Made the AN fitting, the lines, and placed the Matty Mouse on the fender. And it looks good, so come check it out.